Hi, welcome to Sense Lord Online class. Let's quickly attend to what we have for today. Okay, now the first question says, what is the total charge gotten when three electrons are removed from a neutral body? Okay, now may look like this question. Okay, then number two question now says, how many electrons must be removed from a neutral object to leave a net charge of 0.5 microfarad. Oh, sorry, not farad, microwatt coulombs. Now, based on look like what you are seeing on the board here, please, if you can stay recall your mind, this question is from a topic known as quantization of charges. Yes, under quantization of charges, which we know that electric charge is what? Is a transfer of what? Electron from one material to what? Another. Yeah. Yes, transfer of electron from one material to another. And again, you should bear it in mind when a what and a material is what negatively charged. It means that that material has an excess what electron. But when it's positive charge, that means what is made up of what protons. So under quantization of charges, this simply means a what? It is a phenomenon of what given to a body that has a certain or a given charge. All right. Let's quickly attend to the question number one. After this, we move on to question number two. Follow me, you will enjoy this. After this, we will solve multiple sub questions under quantization of charges with less stress and also be more fast. Okay, let's go there. All right. Now, upon the first question, you are dealing with any question in physics, be it in physics, chemistry, or mathematics. Always try to understand the question again. Try to bring out some words, some parameters, or some things that are given, and also to know if there is any hidden word terms or factors in that question that also will help you to solve that particular question. Now, for this question on the board here, you can still remember the formula to be used under what total quantization charges we have, that Q is equals N NE. Right now, in knowing this, you have it in mind again that Q, which is what Q is the one we are looking for, okay? Then the number of what electrons, which is N, is what? 3 according to the equation. Then this E you are seeing here is a what? It is a constant, please take note. It's a constant which is denoted as 1.6 times 10 raised to the power minus 19. Okay, now in solving this question, which means we are going to substitute this from the word with the formula. Therefore, we now have that Q is equals what we have here. This is N, that should be 3 points. This one is what? E, which is 1.6 times 10 raised to the power minus 19. Okay, then when you multiply this together, please make use of your calculator to be more fast. When you multiply it together, you can going to have 4.8 times 10 raised to the power minus 19. So the unit, this is because you are dealing with what? This is a charge. Okay, the quantity of charge. So the unit that should be given to this, that should be what? From the formula, this is what? The number of excess proton and or neutral. Okay, now from here you can see that this thing has no unit. Okay, now the only thing that has unit is what? The charge particles, which is what? The charge of electron and what? Proton, which is what? Measured in coulombs. So for this and this to multiply together, this simply means for what? The charge, yeah, the total charge of this the total charge, the unit of total charge will be what? Measured in what? Coulombs. The unit of total charge will be measured in what? In coulombs. Therefore, Q will give us what? Equals 4.8 times 10 raised to the power minus 19 coulombs. And this is final answer for this question. All right, let's continue, my dear.